G'day everyone and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the power of self-healing. It's a journey inward, a discovery of the incredible strength within each of us. This isn't about magic, but about tapping into your own natural healing abilities. We all possess this power, waiting to be unlocked and harnessed. Through guided meditation, we can focus our minds and direct our energy. We can create positive change within our bodies. Our minds are incredibly powerful tools. They can influence our physical well-being in profound ways. Today we'll explore how this applies to aneurysms. This meditation is designed to promote healing and strength. We'll focus on your blood vessels, encouraging their elasticity and resilience. Our bodies are constantly renewing and repairing themselves. This meditation will work in harmony with those natural processes. Remember, this is a safe space for healing. Let go of any worries or fears. Focus on your breath and allow yourself to be guided on this journey. Together, we'll explore how meditation can empower you on your path to wellness. Let's begin by acknowledging the incredible strength within you. Your body is a masterpiece of nature, capable of amazing things. Every cell, every tissue is working tirelessly to keep you healthy and strong. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs. As you exhale, release any tension or stress. Focus on your heartbeat, a steady rhythm of life flowing through you. This life force, this energy, is what we'll harness today. We're going to focus on your blood vessels, the intricate network that carries life-giving blood throughout your body. These vessels are strong and resilient, designed to withstand the pressures of life. Today, we're going to enhance that strength, improve their elasticity, and promote optimal health. Close your eyes and imagine your blood vessels. See them as strong, flexible tubes, pulsing with vibrant energy. Picture them carrying rich, oxygenated blood to every part of your body, nourishing every cell. Visualize your blood vessels as resilient and elastic, easily adapting to changes in pressure and flow. See them expanding and contracting with ease, effortlessly accommodating the demands of your body. Feel the strength and vitality within these vital pathways. Imagine a warm, healing light surrounding your blood vessels. This light is gentle and soothing, promoting relaxation and repair. It infuses your vessels with renewed energy, strengthening their walls and increasing their flexibility. The power of elasticity. Elasticity is key to the health of your blood vessels. It allows them to expand and contract, maintaining healthy blood flow throughout your body. Just like a rubber band, your vessels need to be flexible and resilient. As you breathe deeply, visualize your blood vessels becoming more and more elastic. Imagine them stretching and contracting with ease, responding effortlessly to every beat of your heart. This flexibility ensures optimal blood flow, carrying vital nutrients and oxygen to every cell in your body. Feel the power of this elasticity, the smooth, effortless flow of blood through your system. This is the power of your own body, working in harmony to maintain your health and well-being. Understanding aneurysms. Now let's gently and calmly address aneurysms. Picture these as areas in your blood vessels where the wall has weakened, causing a bulge or ballooning. It's like a small balloon in the vessel. We're going to focus on promoting healing and strength in these areas. It's important to remember that our bodies are incredibly resilient. They have an innate ability to heal and repair themselves. This meditation will support those natural processes, encouraging your body's own wisdom to strengthen those weakened areas. We'll focus on two main types of aneurysms: brain aneurysms and aortic aneurysms. Remember, this meditation is a complementary practice to support your overall well-being, Always consult with your healthcare professional for any medical concerns. Brain aneurysms, a gentle approach. Let's turn our attention to the brain. Imagine your brain, the command center of your body, surrounded by a network of delicate blood vessels. We're going to send healing energy to these vessels, gently strengthening and supporting them. Visualize a warm golden light surrounding your brain. This light is gentle and soothing, promoting relaxation and healing. Feel its warmth penetrating deep within, reaching every tiny vessel in your brain. As you breathe deeply, imagine this light gently repairing any weakened areas in your brain's blood vessels. See the walls of those vessels becoming stronger and more resilient with each breath. Feel a sense of peace and calm washing over you as you visualize this healing process. Aortic aneurysms, strengthening the core. Now let's shift our focus to the aorta, the main artery that carries blood from your heart to the rest of your body. Imagine this powerful vessel, a vital lifeline, running through the center of your chest and abdomen. Visualize a vibrant blue light surrounding your aorta. This light represents strength and stability. Feel its energy pulsating through your core, invigorating and strengthening your aorta with each beat of your heart. Imagine this blue light repairing any weakened areas in your aorta, making its walls thicker and more resilient. See it smoothing out any bulges, restoring the aorta to its natural strength and elasticity. Feel a sense of grounding and stability as you visualize this process. Your body's wisdom. As we continue this meditation, trust in the wisdom of your own body. Your body knows how to heal itself. It's constantly working to maintain balance and restore harmony within. You're not alone on this journey. Your body is your ally, your partner in healing. Listen to its whispers, its subtle cues, and support its natural healing abilities. Remember, healing is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every step you take towards greater health and well-being. Trust in the process and know that you have the power within you to heal and thrive. Visualizing the healing process. Now, let's take this healing energy and focus it on those specific areas where you feel it's needed most. Close your eyes and bring to mind the location of your aneurysms. See them clearly in your mind's eye. Don't be afraid. We're not here to dwell on fear or worry. We're here to bring love, light, and healing energy to these areas. Visualize your blood vessels in these areas and imagine them surrounded by a warm, radiant light. This light is filled with the power to heal and strengthen. It gently penetrates the walls of your blood vessels, promoting repair and restoration. See the weakened areas becoming stronger, the bulges shrinking, and your blood vessels returning to their natural, healthy state. Take a deep breath in, and as you do, imagine you're breathing in pure, vibrant energy. This energy is flowing directly to those areas we're focusing on, infusing them with strength and vitality. Hold your breath for a moment and visualize this energy at work. See it repairing and strengthening the walls of your blood vessels, promoting elasticity and resilience. Feel the power of this healing energy coursing through you. Now, as you exhale, release any tension, any worry, any fear. Imagine you're breathing out any weakness or stagnation. Let it go, allowing the healing energy to do its work. Feel the rhythm of your breath, a steady flow of life-giving energy. With each inhale, you're drawing in strength and healing. With each exhale, you're releasing anything that no longer serves you. Imagine your blood flowing smoothly and effortlessly through your vessels, carrying nourishment and vitality to every part of your body. Feel the strength and elasticity of your vessels, pulsating with life. This is the power of your own body, working in harmony to heal and thrive. Embrace this feeling of well-being, this sense of peace and restoration. Trust in the process and know that you are on a journey towards greater health and vitality. Now let's take this healing journey a step further. Your body is incredibly intelligent. It knows itself better than anyone. It sends signals, whispers of where it needs attention. Think of your body as a map, full of intricate pathways and hidden landscapes. Today, we're going to explore those landscapes, listening to your body's wisdom and directing healing energy wherever it's needed. You might feel a slight tingling, a gentle warmth, or a sense of pulsing in certain areas. These are your body's signals, guiding you towards areas that might benefit from this healing energy. Let your awareness gently scan your body. Start from the top of your head, slowly moving down to your toes. Don't force anything, just observe. Be curious, like an explorer discovering new lands. As you scan, notice any sensations that arise. Perhaps you feel a tightness in your chest, a dull ache in your lower back, or a throbbing sensation somewhere else. These are your body's whispers, guiding you towards areas that might need extra care and attention. Don't judge any sensations you encounter. Simply acknowledge them with a sense of gentle curiosity. These sensations are your body's way of communicating with you, of showing you where healing energy is most needed. As you become more aware of your body's signals, you might be drawn to certain areas. You might feel a pull, a gentle nudge, directing your attention to a specific spot. Trust those instincts. Your intuition is a powerful tool for healing. It's your inner compass, guiding you towards what feels right for your body. Don't hesitate to spend extra time focusing on any area that feels significant to you. Remember, this is your personal healing journey. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Trust your body, trust your instincts, and allow yourself to be guided by the wisdom within. You are your own best healer. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to acknowledge the incredible power you've just tapped into. The power to heal, to strengthen, to renew. It's all within you. You are a force of nature, capable of amazing things. Remember the feeling of the healing light, the vibrant energy flowing through your vessels. Carry that feeling with you as you move through your day. Know that you have the ability to access this power anytime you need it. You are not defined by any challenges you may face. You are defined by your strength, your resilience, your unwavering spirit. Embrace your power and step into each day with confidence, knowing that you are capable of creating the life you desire. This meditation is just the beginning of your healing journey. Make self-care a priority in your life. Listen to your body, nourish it with healthy foods, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Remember, healing is a process, not an overnight event. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate your progress and never give up on your well-being. You are worthy of a healthy, vibrant life. And as you continue on this journey, know that you are not alone. Reach out to loved ones, connect with a supportive community, or seek guidance from healthcare professionals. Together, we can support each other on the path to optimal health and well-being. Go well and embrace the power within you.